Snoring isn't just an annoying nighttime symphony. It can lead to sleep apnea, causing breathing problems, elevated blood pressure, daytime crankiness, and more. Maxillomandibular advancement, or MMA. This procedure is a game changer in managing snoring, especially for treating obstructive sleep apnea. This condition often causes snoring due to airway blockage during sleep. Every case is unique, but let's focus on MMA surgery. The upper and lower jaws are repositioned to widen the airway. By moving the jaw forward, we tighten the soft tissues at the throat and at the tongue level, hence reducing their tendency to collapse and to obstruct the airway. It's a well-orchestrated process. First, preoperative evaluation. We thoroughly assess jaw structures, airway anatomy, and more. Diagnostic test helps gauge the condition's severity. Second is surgical planning. A personalized plan is crafted considering the advancement needed and any extra procedures, followed by the surgery itself. MMA happens under general anesthesia. Incision inside the mouth allows us to reposition the jaw and securing them with special tools, basically plates and screws. Then comes the recovery period. Expect some initial discomfort. A bit of pain and swelling can be managed with pain meds and soft diet. Follow-ups ensures smooth progress. Seeking treatment isn't just about silence during the night. It's about boosting sleep quality, reducing health risks, and enhancing daytime function, and boosting overall well-being. For tailored solution, consult a maxillofacial surgeon. Snoring more than just noise, it's a health matter, but with procedures like MMA in the mix, there's hope for a quieter, healthier sleep.